Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply go to search bar and type here mmsys.cpl and click here to open it. Once you are here, just we need to right click on speakers or headphones, select properties, then go to levels tab. On this window, make sure this should be 100%. Then select enhancement tab and check this box, disable all enhancements. Once done, click on apply and then OK. Again, right click on it, select properties, then just click on levels, then select balance and select the left and right sides of it should be 100%. Then click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. Now go to settings, open settings, then from the system tab into just scroll down and find out troubleshoot. So click here to open it, then just scroll down and click on other troubleshooters, and from playing audio select run. So this will try to detect the problems and it will show you how to fix it. So we need to wait for it approx 2 to 3 minutes. Then so it will say you that turn off sound effects and enhancement, then do it. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You are good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.